Welcome to Career Ready.ai, where we will be walking you through the step-by-step process of creating a personal development plan, or PDP, using our platform. We'll cover 6 essential steps that will help you add new PDPs, select your program, identify reflections, choose areas of improvement, set goals, and monitor your progress. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the PDP tab on your dashboard. Once there, click on the Add New button to create a new PDP for your assessment. This is your first step towards structuring your personalized development plan. After clicking Add New, you'll be prompted to choose the specific program or assessment for which you'd like to create your PDP. Select the relevant program to proceed with building your plan. Next, move to the Reflection tab. Here, you'll list out your strengths, areas for growth, aspirations, and any barriers identified from your assessment. Take your time with this, as it will help shape your development journey. Now, it's time to add areas of improvement. In this section, you'll choose which skills or competencies you want to focus on. You can also filter the resources you'd like to use, such as videos, articles, or audio content, and add them to your goals. Once you've identified your areas of improvement, navigate to the Goals tab. Here, you can see the goals you've already set or add new ones. Click on any existing goal to input specific objectives related to your improvement areas. Finally, as you work through your PDP, use the Monitor Progress tab to track your development. You can also mark goals as complete, update deadlines, and manage your progress along the way. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have created a comprehensive and tailored personal development plan. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Career Ready.ai, platform to seek your potential.